Hello, in this tutorial, I want to show you how to record a meeting on Zoom. So here are the detailed steps to record a meeting using the Zoom web app. Please note that the ability to record meetings might be restricted based on your account type. Example, you may need a pro account or higher for cloud recordings. So log into your Zoom web app, which we have in here, and of course, log in with your credentials if prompted. So you can either start a new meeting directly by clicking on new meeting, which we have here, or you can just schedule a new meeting. If you're a host, start the meeting either from the Zoom app or through the web browser by clicking on. So click on new meeting and okay. So you can see that's connecting. So you can join with computer audio or any of that option. Just gonna click on close. So continue without audio. So let's say you want to record. Now, if you're the meeting host, make sure you have permission to record the meeting. Ensure that you have permission to record the meeting. And how do you get that permission? Head over to your profile icon here, click on that and select settings, and from the settings menu click on recording. And once you click on recording, ensure that you have the permission to record. So the next step is, of course, so choose location, record a separate file, choose any of these options. All right, so choose a file, display spans, videos, optimize third party, all these ones that are that have the question mark next to it, meaning you have to upgrade to use any of those features. So go back to your meeting. This is the meeting window. So for you to start recording the meeting, once the meeting has started, just follow the steps to begin the recording. On the meeting toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window, you'll see a record button. That's if you are eligible or if your account is eligible to record. So here, click on more and then select the record button. So once you click on the record button to start recording a meeting, that's it. If enabled, Zoom will record and store the video in your Zoom account. Now, this option will save the video file directly to your computer. Choose the option based on a Zoom plan. So cloud recording is typically available for pro users and above. You can also pause the recording at any point by clicking the pause button on the toolbar. And to finish the recording, click the stop button. The recording will automatically save once the meeting ends. Once the meeting is over and the recording is stopped, here's how you can access the recording. For cloud recordings, go to your Zoom account and click on Recordings in the left menu. You'll see a list of your past meetings with recorded content. Click on the meeting to view or download the recording. While for local recordings, if you recorded meeting locally, Zoom will automatically save the file to your computer. The default save location is usually under Document and Zoom. So you can change this in your Zoom settings if necessary. I showed you how to do it. Inside the Zoom folder, you'll find the folder corresponding to your meeting, which will contain the audio or video files in MP4 format. Now, for cloud recordings, you can share the recording link with others by copying the link or sharing directly from the Zoom portal. While for local recordings, you can upload the file to your cloud storage or share it via other platforms once the file is saved on your device. Ensure that you're the host or a co-host of the meeting if you intend to record. The ability to record may be restricted for participants. And if you do not see the record button, check your account settings to ensure recording is enabled. Cloud recording comes with storage limits depending on your account type. And if you're using local recording, ensure you have enough space on your device. With these steps, you should be able to effectively record meetings on the Zoom web app. Now go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.